Hi, my name's Ken Cousin. I'm the author of Mockito Made Clear. This is the new book that appears at Amazon as a Kindle version. The idea behind Mockito is it's a testing framework in the Java world that allows you to automatically generate fake objects that respond the way you want. That makes it much easier to test the classes you're interested in isolation. Getting into the details of that is a much bigger discussion, but let's just do this quote unboxing video for my ebook. So first things first, of course, is I have to purchase it, and I did purchase it here on the Kindle price. And if I go forward, you will see that in fact there's my receipt. I did in fact buy it. I could see a summary or open it. And what I'm going to do now is it is shipped to my regular Kindle, but what I'll do now is I'll go to the online Kindle cloud reader and I have the book open in there. This is open currently to the table of contents, so I can give you a very brief idea of what's inside it. The idea is to talk about where Mockito fits in the overall testing ecosystem, why you'd even want a tool like that, what does it help you do, and then look at the Mockito API in some detail to see how you can get it to do what you want, look at some of the built-in and custom argument matchers, solve various problems in Mockito, how you test void methods, how you verify interactions. Then there's a section on using Mockito in special cases like mocking final classes and methods or static methods or working with Spring. And of course, discussing when not to use a tool like Mockito. It's very powerful, very versatile. Everything in here is up to date. It's short and sweet, I hope. And I hope you find it valuable. So thank you for watching my unboxing video.